please come in and have a seat. Okay. So good morning, Panthers, Panther families. We welcome you to our first trimester awards for our third grade students. This morning, we're going to follow a structure. I'm going to give you a quick welcome. We're going to do our pledge, and then we're going to do the calling of awards and closing remarks. Teachers are going to come up and present their awards. Teachers, I ask that you follow the order that I sent out, and then pause in between each award to give photo opportunities for parents. I want everyone to please stand for the pledge. And Ms. Bush is going to start off. You join in. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Everyone can please have a seat, as well as the hard work of the teachers, and of course the hard work of the parents, making sure they're getting here, doing their homework. Seminole Trails has a special place in my heart. I have been a Panther longer than anybody in here, 21 years, right? So I take being a Panther very seriously. And I'm gonna have the teachers come up. Everyone can come up. Any of the staff that's here to support, just please monitor the students while the teachers come up, please. And we're gonna let Miss Gail start off. Miss Gail is the wonderful third grade team leader. So Miss Gail is gonna start. Students, when Miss Gail calls your name, you come up, I'm gonna hand you your award, and if you can stand in front of the screen so your parents can get your pictures, okay?
Good morning, parents. I was trying to hide in the back to be the last one, but at this time we'll go ahead and award our Positive Panther Award. This is for students who demonstrate the characteristics of an avid learner. They are safe, they are respectful, and they demonstrate this characteristic inside the classroom and outside the classroom. My first one is from Miss Mercer's class, and she's not here today. I do apologize. Grace, come on up please, Sage. Followed by Zachary George. From my classroom, I have Dejari Allen and Josiah Shannon. All right, I do apologize, so I'm just going to do the entire awards for my class.
This for Mercer and Miss Gail. Give them a round of applause.
All right, congratulations, guys. Next, we're going to go with our perfect attendance. From Ms. Mercer's class, Amarian Whitelock, Santiago Rodriguez, Zachary George, from Ms. Gale's class, Josiah Shannon, Liam Woody, and Adelina Adigan. At this time, if parents would like to take a photograph, please go ahead. Congratulations, you may be seated, please. Ayana Garrison. Kyra Leewars. And from Ms. Gale's class, Liliana Ogrodnik. Parents, please feel free to go ahead and take a picture.
Good morning, I'm Miss Robinson. We're going to present the Positive Panther Award. First, we have Alfredo Torres, Jackson Pesadade. Can we get another round of applause for the student? Pictures. It's Pandora Daniels. Have Academic Honor Roll, Mateus Casanova. Mike Joseph. And Christo Fanny Jean.
Hi, good morning. My name is Mr. Robinson. I will be presenting the awards for my homeroom class. First up, we have for perfect attendance, Josh Jean. Next up, we have the Positive Panther Award for Nasir Balfour. And for Scarlett. Next up, we have the Academic Honor Roll Award for Malachi Wright and Diego Morales.
Austin Brown. Jared Fabric Merrill. Anthony Gomez. Deani McIntosh. Aiden Meeks. Marcel Simmons. Elijah Webb. And Josiah Williams. These are our students who attended school every day, first marking period. First goes to Hannah Garvin. And Josiah Williams. This student is not here, but we recognize Cindy Black. Austin Brown. Hannah Darden. Jared Fabernero. Lindsay Fenwick. Cadence Hawkins. Nate. Brown student right there. Leighton Wack. Elijah Webb. Last but not least, Josiah Williams. Congratulations.
Those for my students who have perfect attendance, Jaden Karn. Quinton Joseph. And Ryan Minter. Congratulations. Next award is for my Positive Panther Award. It goes to Tremaine Crowley. And Jaden Karn.
I'm Miss Benavides, and I'm going to present our Positive Panther Award for my class, my stellar class over there. The Positive Panther Award, these students always show a growth mindset, a can-do attitude, something we strive for. Bernice Carter, come on up. Congratulations. Mason McCaddy, come on up.
Okay, so all of our students have received their awards. Remember, we have trimester 2. Trimester 2, we want to see more Panthers on the stage. Also, there'll be an opportunity to receive 4 different other awards for our next assembly. Trimester 2, we're looking for most improved reading, writing, math, and science. So it's more chances to get awards. Again, we are so proud of you and all of the hard work that you do, being safe, respectful, avid learners each day, coming here with a growth mindset, and that is very important here at Seminole Trails because we're Avid Elementary School. And you know, most people don't get that Avid Elementary or Avid instruction until they get in high school, so we're a little special because we get it in elementary. So again, parents, we thank you so much for your hard work and your dedication. I'm a parent, so I know it takes a lot to make sure that our students get here every day and do what they're supposed to. So we do appreciate you, and we look forward to seeing more parents and the same parents again for trimester 2. Okay? Parents, we're gonna give about 5 minutes if you wanna get some pictures before we have to start transitioning for our 4th grade ceremony. Okay?